Welcome. This video will show you how to quickly and easily make long-lasting repairs to your garden hoses. My wife is an avid gardener who does a lot of watering, frequently drags our hose around the yard, and generates substantial wear and tear on our garden hoses. Over the years, I've learned that our hoses are most likely to fail here at this end of the hose where you attach a heavy sprinkler or spray nozzle. As you can see, there's a lot of stress at this end of the hose with this excess weight hanging on it. Normally the hose will fail in this region here. You'll notice that the failure is starting when the rubber wears off and the cord of the hose starts showing through. Soon thereafter it will start leaking and eventually totally fail. The second most likely area where our hoses fail are at this attaching point where our short auxiliary hose connects to the hose reel. As you can see, the rubber's gotten loose from moving this around out here, and it's at the point of failure right now. At this time, I'm going to show you the best approach based on several years of experience of making long-lasting repairs to our garden hoses. These strong, durable, and environmentally tough metal garden hose repair connectors, which are available at Home Depot and Lowe's, are definitely the way to go. Cheaper substitutes are available. However, I've had lots of problems with these over the years. Basically, you get what you pay for. Consequently, I strongly recommend that you pay a couple of extra dollars for metal connectors and a permanent fix. In addition, if your hose fails again, you can reuse these metal connectors over and over. The tools that you'll need are as follows: cutting device such as a razor knife or tubing cutter, pliers, and a screwdriver or a drill with a screwdriver bit. The next step is to cut off the degraded portion of the hose near the female connection. You can do this either with a razor knife or a tubing cutter. And it's important when you make this cut to perpendicularly cut the hose in half. Okay, so you can see we have a good cut. Next step is to insert your replacement component, the hose connection. And as you can see, we forced that on there, and we've got it in good shape. Next, we'll install our metallic connector collar. And we'll get these screws inserted and going in the proper directions here. And lastly, we'll tighten down the connector collar. And we'll check it for tightness. And that completes the repair using the metallic connector. Okay, so that completes the repair. Let's reinstall this on our hose wheel and we'll check and see how it works. Okay, first we'll attach it to our hose reel, tighten it up. Okay, we've got that on there very tight. Okay, so let's turn the water on, see how we're doing. Okay, so as you can see, we have a very good connection down here at the entry point into the hose reel, and our connection here is still doing fine. So this completes the job. This includes my approach for making quick, easy, and long-lasting repairs to your garden hoses. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and select the YouTube bell so YouTube will notify you of all my new projects immediately after I publish them. At this time, I'm moving on to my next project. You're more than welcome to follow. In addition, if you have a great project that you want to post on my YouTube channel, email me some pictures and a brief description of it. If it qualifies for the Let's Fix It Right standards to help others, I'll interview you over the phone as a guest do-it-yourselfer, produce a high-quality video, and post it on my Let's Fix It Right channel. For the year following this posting, I'll share 50% of the potential YouTube benefits with you. If you have any subject matter requests or recommendations, please contact me. All of this said, I recommend that you subscribe to my channel, follow my projects, and save a bundle of money doing it.